This article will explore the emergence of generative AI and how this type of technology can be used for image and video creating for news stories. It will discuss the potential uses of this technology as well as the possible impacts this can have on journalistic trust. AI has become a rapidly growing technology, and it's now being used to create unique images within seconds, generative AI technology. This blog will explore the implications of this new technology as it pertains to journalism and photojournalism, and if it can actually change the nature of news reporting. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a form of artificial intelligence, AI, that uses existing content from the internet to create new, unique text, images, graphics, audio, and video. This technology works by using an algorithm to scrape information from its sources and then compiles the data to craft unique, one-of-a-kind images. Generative AI has become increasingly popular in recent years. It already has gone viral in some cases, with a popular image of Donald Trump being arrested becoming very popular. Benefits of generative AI in journalism. Generative AI may become increasingly useful in journalism as it can help craft unique illustrations for feature stories or hypothetical stories that would be difficult to illustrate with photos. There are also possibilities that this tech can be used to create visuals for breaking news stories. It's also important to note that generative AI falls under the fair dealing exceptions in the Copyright Act of Canada, where third-party use of copyrighted content is allowed for certain circumstances, such as for research, parody, education, satire, review, criticism, and news reporting. Potentially damaging effects of generative AI. As with any new technology, there are potential drawbacks to using generative AI. One of the major concerns is copyright infringement, as it is possible for artists' work to be copied wholesale without permission. This could be a major problem for the industry, and remedies such as legislative intervention and AI developers making sure the creators of these images are given the proper reward or acknowledgement should be considered. Another worry is public trust and transparency. Do media outlets want to become the fact-checkers of AI-generated content? And if so, how should the public be informed and reassured this content is accurate? Taking precautions with generative AI. There are also ways to help protect the content creators when using generative AI. Technologies have emerged that allow photographers and artists to opt out of the datasets used to generate AI-generated images. When using images made by generative AI, the correct labeling and credit should be given to ensure transparency. The potential of generative AI. Generative AI has the potential to change the way news stories are reported and illustrated. This new tech can help create unique visuals for stories about abstract or hypothetical topics and can also help monetarily, as it could offer cost-effective options for news media outlets. However, the implications of using this technology needs to be discussed and taken seriously to ensure transparency and trust in the media. Generative AI has great potential to help create unique visuals used to tell stories and can also help news media outlets find cost-effective options. Even though this technology has its perks, it is important to be mindful of the possible implications and find ways to ensure content creators and public trust are acknowledged and protected.